What is the sum of the infinite geometric series 25 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0.2 plus 0 or 0.04 plus dot 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 off to infinity? So first, the normal question would be, what we have to identify if it's geometric or arithmetic. This happens to tell us it's geometric, and not only that, it tells us this is infinite. So if I go to my formula chart, I would go to infinite geometric series, infinite geometric, and we see this is the formula here. A sub n equals, or the sum, rather this should be like S sub n, is a sub 1 over 1 minus r. So the sum, and you don't write a number there because it's infinite, is a sub 1 over 1 minus r. So to find my rate, remember with geometric, since they are, each one of these are getting multiplied, you take the second term and divide it by the first term. It is oftentimes how we do this. And so if I take a sub 2 and I divide it by a sub 1, I get 1/5. That should be our r. We can check it by using a different term, like say a sub 3, which is 1, and we divide it by a sub 2. So you always take the future term and divide it by the previous term. So if I just took the third term and divided by the second term, notice I get 1/5 again, which is what it's supposed to be, 1/5. So that's my rate. And so now to find my sum, I would say S would equal, here's a sub 1, 25, over 1 minus r, which is 1/5. All right, now to just do the algebra, you can type this in the calculator, obviously, but this would be 25 over 1 minus 1/5. It's kind of like 5/5 minus 1/5 is 4/5. And what you do when you have a second fraction is instead of dividing by another fraction, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal. So this would be like 25, that's the numerator, times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 5/4. So what I should get is 125/4. This will be my most exact answer here. And so let's check it in the calculator. I'll come back over here. And I'll clear this out. And we would say 25 divided by 1 minus, whoops. 1 minus 1/5. Press enter. We do get 125/4, and if you want that as a decimal, that'd be 31.25. I got that by pressing Control Enter. So we could change this to 31.25.